Walking around in downtown Denton, creativity meets you at every corner. It's even painted on the windows.
The window scene has really come alive in the last 2 or 3 years. I feel like everybody on the square is trying to do their part to show what an artistic community we have here in Denton.
But these windows don't paint themselves. Behind every splash of color is an artist turning the glass into a canvas.
I'm a sign painter / muralist. Been doing this for about 50 years.
Just down the block, you can spot another artist whose style you might recognize.
I paint all around the square and kind of the square adjacent, so Jupiter House, Hoochie's, Rose Costumes, Sticker Station. I also do Neighborhood Autos, I do Bearded Monk, all kinds of different places, but mostly around the square.
When the ideas of an artist and local business come together, the results turn into vibrant displays for every season to welcome you inside.
I personally love that it is different, it's local. It means a lot to us.
Whenever we have something different on our windows, that it does make new people come in. They're like, oh, look at that, that's cool, let's go see what it's about.
It's a great business because every time you do something, you're advertising for the people you did it for, but you're also advertising for yourself.
It's amazing to be able to bring to life these works for clients, being able to kind of give them what they want, something that the community can walk by and see, and it kind of beautifies it a little bit. And I just appreciate that, I've been given the opportunity by a lot of people to become a part of that and do that. So every time somebody gives me a compliment, it's just like, oh my gosh, I can't believe people are actually enjoying this.
The windows come alive through the use of different tools and techniques, each artist adding their own flair.
The VR headset was something that a former artist who moved away put me onto. It cuts out so much prep, and it just allows me to work so much faster that it was worth the investment for me to kind of dive into that end. When I first started, it would take me 2 or 3 days to do some pieces. Now I can do them in 2 to 3 hours.
There really is kind of a brotherhood in Denton and all over the country of people who are openly sharing their techniques, openly saying, this is how you do this.
But eventually the art comes down, making room for another fresh design.
The windows I get to change up every couple months, so it lets me paint something new, put a new design on. I get to practice new things, so I love it.
I take lots of pictures of my work, so the pictures are what lasts. The work goes away. Probably 50% of what I've done in my life is gone. But it's the transient nature of it. You still got to talk to the people while you were doing it. You still had the experience. And so that's the art. Doesn't hurt my feelings. I'm like, I'll do another one,
What you see today may be gone tomorrow, so take a moment to enjoy it while it lasts. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.